Welcome to the Zenix EMS in-service tutorial video series. This series provides detailed information about the Zenix monitor defibrillator and its functionality. These videos serve as an adjunct to formal training. Please take time to read the operator's guide, available online at ZOLL.com. Obtain formal training from an appropriate authority before using Zenix for patient care. In this video, we will review invasive blood pressure and temperature, which utilize the Z-Link ports on the Zenix monitor defibrillator. There are 6 Z-Link ports that can be used for monitoring invasive blood pressure or temperature. You can connect any Z-Link cable to any port. The device can monitor up to 3 invasive channels and 2 temperature channels simultaneously. Let's start with invasive blood pressure monitoring. First, connect the IBP interface cable to one of the Z-Link ports. When properly connected, the blue LED at the Z-Link port illuminates. In addition, the round green LED on the IBP cable also illuminates. Once the transducer is attached to the interface cable, a green sensor LED bar illuminates and the message "Zero Probe" appears in the numeric display window for that invasive pressure channel. Select the window labeled Setup to Zero Probe. In the Setup IBP window, select Zero Probe at the bottom. You will see the message zeroing while it is occurring. Once successful, a zero passed message appears. When the IBP Setup label window appears, select the appropriate label. For this demonstration, we have labeled it as ART. The invasive pressure waveform and numeric automatically appear at this point. Highlight and select the ART window to adjust general settings and alarms. Selecting the Identify option changes the sensor LED bar from green to blinking white. This helps to identify the IBP cable when you are using multiple lines. Now, we will review monitoring temperature with Zenix. Connect the Z-Link interface cable to any Z-Link port. Next, connect the temperature probe to the Z-Link interface cable. And finally, connect the temperature probe to the patient. The Z-Link connection at the side of the device is blue. The Z-Link cable has a solid green dot LED and sensor bar LED. The temperature measurement automatically appears in the T1 window. Highlight and select the T1 window to adjust general settings and alarms. We have now reviewed invasive pressure and temperature measurement on the Zenix monitor defibrillator.